why your brain is programmed to be poor, and how to rewrite it. Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you grind, your bank balance has an invisible ceiling it just can't break through? You get a raise, you land a better gig, but somehow the money disappears just as fast as it arrives. You're left wondering, where did it all go? Most people think wealth is a math problem. It's not. It's a hardware problem. Your brain was evolved for survival on the savannah, not for managing a 401k or scaling a business in the 21st century. Today, we're diving into the neuropsychology of wealth. We'll explore why your brain is subconsciously wired to keep you in a state of scarcity, and how you can hard reset your mental software to mirror the abundance mindset of self-made billionaires. Let's get into it. To understand your bank account, you have to understand your ancestors. 50,000 years ago, if you found a berry bush, your best strategy was to eat everything immediately. Why? Because food rotted, or someone else stole it. This is what psychologists call present bias. In the modern West, this manifests as the urge to spend your paycheck the second it hits your account. We are biologically driven to seek instant gratification. It's why buying a $5 coffee or a new tech gadget feels safer to your primal brain than putting that money into an abstract S&P 500 index that you can't touch for 30 years. Then there's loss aversion. Evolutionarily, losing a meal meant death. So our brains are wired to fear loss twice as much as we value gain. This is the investor's curse. It's why so many people stay in safe, low-interest savings accounts while inflation eats their purchasing power. Your brain thinks it's protecting you from risk, but in reality, it's guaranteeing your financial stagnation. The biggest psychological hurdle in Western society is the zero-sum myth. A scarcity mindset views the economy like a fixed pie. If your neighbor gets a bigger slice, you assume yours must be smaller. This leads to keeping up with the Joneses, resentment, and a fear of taking risks. But the world's wealthiest individuals operate on an abundance mindset. They don't see a fixed pie. They see an oven that can bake infinite pies. They understand that value creation isn't a game of win-lose, but win-win. Research on self-made millionaires reveals a dominant trait, an internal locus of control. While the average person blames the economy, the government, or their boss for their financial state, the wealthy individual asks, how can I pivot my strategy to benefit from this change? They don't see themselves as passengers. They are the pilots. Have you heard of the hedonic treadmill? It's the tendency of humans to quickly return to a stable level of happiness despite major positive changes. You get the dream car, and for 3 weeks, you're ecstatic. By month 2, it's just a way to get to work. By month 3, you're looking at the newer model. This leads to lifestyle creep. As Westerners, we are bombarded by $20 billion worth of advertising every year designed to trigger your dopamine loops. For the scarcity mindset, money is a tool to buy status. For the abundance mindset, money is a tool to buy freedom. Wealthy people build or buy assets first. They let their dividends and rental income pay for their Porsches and vacations. The middle class, driven by the psychological need for social signaling, buys the luxury first with their time, taxing their future selves to look rich today. So how do we fix the poor program? It requires a deliberate rewiring of your neural pathways. Here are 3 steps you can take today. First, kill the social priming. Unfollow accounts that trigger FOMO or flex culture. Your brain is highly susceptible to its environment. If your feed is full of consumption, you will consume. Curate your environment for production. Second, automate your discipline. Willpower is a finite resource. Don't decide to save. Set up an automatic transfer to your brokerage account the day you get paid. If you never see the money in your checking account, your brain won't miss it. Third, invest in your human capital. In a high-inflation world, the best asset is your ability to solve problems. Shift your spending from stuff to skills. The ROI on a $500 certification or a $20 book can be 10,000%. Wealth starts between your ears before it ever reaches your pockets. Financial freedom isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how you think. Once you master your biology, you can master your economy. The invisible wall only exists as long as you believe in it. If this breakdown helped you see your finances in a new light, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the psychology of success. What's one poverty habit you're committing to break this month? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Alejandro. Thanks for watching, and remember, invest in your mind, and your mind will fill your pockets.